How to add or remove exclusions in Microsoft Defender on Windows. Go to Start. Select Settings. Select Privacy and Security. Select Windows Security. Select Virus and Threat Protection. Select Manage Settings. Select Add or Remove Exclusions. Select Yes. To add an exclusion, select Add an exclusion. You can add a file, folder, file type, process. Here, I'll add a folder. That's how you add an exclusion in Microsoft Defender. To remove an exclusion, select it, then choose Remove. That's all it takes to add or remove exclusions in Microsoft Defender.